Describe a new store or shop that has recently opened in your town or city. Where is it? What is sold there? Who goes there? And explain how successful it will be in the future.
In recent years, some retail stores have shut down in my districts due to increasing popularity of small stores. Today, I'd like to talk about one such kind of small stores who is opened recently and quick gained popularity in my districts, and it's a Kurigram districts, and it's called the Haji Biryani House. And Haji Biryani House located central point of our districts. Despite of being crowded places, it's situated the central market of our districts, and additionally they also included a parking system for the customers. That's why customer easily can move here and there, and they customer go to this shop and take their meal. And here I want to mention that Haji Biryani House is one of the most popular biryani house in Bangladesh. They always try to open another branches in the districts. That's why they take this opportunity and set up new branches in my districts. They offered traditional food like beef, kachi, biryani, and also they included one special items which is the burhani. And here burhani means one kind of the soft drinks, and they also included special things. They include catering service. That's why the customers order the food, and they can take food from the houses, and it's a special opportunity for the customers. And several times I go to this biryani houses with my family and the friends, and I taste foods, and this foods item quality is very good, and they also try to maintain all procedures. And in future they will do better in my districts because their food is not expensive. That's why customer easily go to and take the various types of foods from this Haji Biryani House.